In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell an ebook on Wix step by step. The process might seem a bit intimidating if you're new to selling digital products, but with this thorough guide, you'll be up and running in no time. First, you'll need to head over to Wix's website and log into your account. If you haven't set up a site yet, make sure you do so beforehand, as you'll need an existing site to proceed. Once you're logged in, navigate to your website by clicking Edit Site. This opens up the editor for the specific site where you wish to sell your ebook. Before uploading your ebook, it's crucial to ensure that the Wix Stores app is installed, as it's necessary for listing products. With that confirmed, find store pages in your editor and proceed to your product page. Here's where the magic begins. Managing your products effectively is the next step. Click on Manage Products, which will take you to a dashboard. Here, under Store Products, you'll see an option to add a plus new product. It's at this stage you'll select Digital Product, which is perfect for ebooks and other non-physical items you want to sell. Now, let's detail your ebook. Start by giving it a compelling product name, something like Mastering Productivity Ebook. Your next task is to craft an informative description, detailing the number of pages, the file format options like PDF, EPUB, or MOBI, and any key topics or chapters that might entice potential buyers. Remember to upload a stunning cover image to capture attention immediately. A good visual can be the difference between a sale and a missed opportunity. Once that's set, it's time to upload the ebook file. Make sure it's in a supported format, with PDF being the most recommended. Don't forget to enable automatic delivery. This feature ensures that customers receive their files instantly upon purchase, improving customer satisfaction. Next, configuring the price and licensing is crucial. Decide on a price point for your book and consider offering different licenses, such as a personal use license or a commercial use license. This is also a great opportunity to clearly outline the terms of use in your product description to prevent any misunderstandings later on. With your product set, head to Settings in your dashboard to configure payment methods. You'll need to enable options like PayPal or Stripe to make the checkout process seamless. Make sure to test these payment gateways to ensure a smooth customer experience. Finally, publish your ebook by making it visible on your store page. Spend some time customizing the layout and styling to harmonize with your website's overall design. Before going live, preview the page to ensure it appears professional and is easy to navigate. Once everything looks great, don't forget to promote your ebook, share it across social media platforms, include it in email campaigns, and make use of SEO-friendly descriptions. Offering promotional discounts and enticing bundles can also significantly boost your sales. As a last note, remember to include high-quality cover designs, upload sample pages to engage potential buyers, and use Wix Analytics to track your sales. With these tips, you not only set up your ebook for success, but also create a strong foundation for future updates and product additions.